This one is looking so creamy. Total, so that's like $3. Built 2 houses, renovated 1. Hello, beautiful people. Good morning. Dzień dobry. How's everybody doing? I hope you guys are doing awesome. Yesterday, I was talking to Robbie and I was at mom's house. We were talking about mom's renovation. As always, it's been a part of our conversation every single day. And he have actually mentioned about if he was here, the rendering of the walls could be finished in 3 days. Like he could finish it in 3 days. And true enough, I would agree to him because I have witnessed how he works and he's very quick. He's very efficient and the quality of work is there. Ever since we have started mom's renovation and the rendering of the walls, I have always watched the workers here by the window and I have noticed that they're actually taking their time. And this is one of the challenges you will be facing if you choose daily labor as compared to package labor. But I think both have pros and cons. So for the daily labor, you can control the quality of work since they can take their time. They want to make sure that everything's good and perfect. But when it comes to the package labor, the con is it could compromise the quality of work since they don't need to think of the daily work that they have to do. It is a package one, so they want to get things done as soon as possible. So it could really compromise the quality of work that they do. But these workers, they're taking their time, guys. It's coming along nicely though. And also, yesterday I have shared with you guys how many sacks of cement left because I have noticed there are 7 sacks of cement left. In a span of 2-3 days, they were able to consume about 13 sacks and that's actually a lot. I know I am not an expert when it comes to construction. I don't have a lot of knowledge about it, but for someone that has built 2 houses, renovated one since we had to rebuild this after Typhoon Odette, and now helping mom renovate her house, I think I have a tiny bit of knowledge about construction. I have been doing this for how many years now? And yeah, I have noticed that they consume a lot of cement than usual. I'm gonna ask mom later on like how many sacks of fine sand do they mix with 1 sack of cement because I think it's too much. Anyway, it is yet again another hot day in the countryside, in the Philippines maybe, or in Asia. I cleaned up a bit because I decided to invite Leia to come over so we can have some bonding. I have been so busy filming Mom's House renovation, and for the last few days I have been wanting to invite Leia to come over here, but today is the day. It's Friday. It's now clean here, and guys, I actually do have a problem. Look at this. I cannot put it down even if I sit. Scarlett is the one doing this. Why is this one so high? See, my weight is not enough for the chair to go down. Ay nako, I think Leia can help me with this, that's for sure. Let's try like this. It's not doing it. Okay, well, look, both of these, Scarlett always play here. She loves sitting down in this stool. But yeah, now it's very high. I cannot sit on it. It's super duper hot. So we're gonna go pick up Leia. We're actually gonna have lunch out. We're gonna go to this cafe close here in the countryside because she's craving for fried chicken. And the other day I was craving for one as well. So let's go and have lunch together. Leia and I are here at home. We just got back, and then we dropped by to get some mangoes, fresh mangoes. I think it was 120 per kilo, so this is 150 pesos in total, so that's like $3, and it's very good. We had lunch at a cafe in the main road. We had pizza and fries. We were gonna have like rice and chicken, but we opted not to. We did not even finish the pizza. See, we took it away. All right, now it is very hot, guys. Leah and I went straight ahead to the bedroom, turned on the AC, and we were just there talking. Also, I was talking to Robbie because it was perfect timing. We arrived here like 1:30 p.m. and Robbie called me 10 minutes after, so it was good. Now it's very hot. Actually, we only have 2 people working in Mom's house now, and one is absent. We're gonna go over there and see how's the progress. I think it is super hot for them. Yeah, anyway, let's go out and check out Mom's house. Everybody, let's do another update for Mommy's house. So this is how it looks. As you guys can see, the front is already done, so that's a very good thing. This area has been done about 2 days ago, so now they've worked on this section right here and it's already Well, it's almost done. He just needs to like polish it so that it doesn't crack. So as you guys can see, the top has been worked on. It's looking pretty good. I know some of you guys have suggested to cover mom's window so that cement doesn't go in there. It wouldn't be dirty, but actually it's easy to remove it with water. So as you guys can see, now it looks very dirty, but mom is just gonna remove it. It's easy to remove it with a splash of water and then you just swipe it out. So this is how it looks so far. And as you guys can see here in the front, they've already removed the scaffolding. They transferred it on the other side. So let's go over there and see how it is looking now. In this area, look here guys, we have a mountain of fine sand still. We have a lot of fine sand, so that's very good. Let's go over here. I think the time now is around almost 3 p.m. So this is what they are working on currently. So I think I have showed this to you guys last time. Section here in the bottom is done, and now the scaffolding is here. So that's where they transferred it so that they can work on the top. So he is working on over here in this section. As you guys can see, the scaffolding is looking sturdy enough to hold 2 people to work on the rendering, guys. So this is how it looks. Hopefully they can finish this section over here so that they can proceed with the inside by tomorrow. It's actually Friday today, and I think tomorrow is the last day of work. It's Saturday. And so far the progress is looking good. I cannot wait for them to transfer inside. Actually, it's been very good. I know it gets really hot during the day, but this section here of the house has the shade, and in the morning there's also some shade in the front, so the workers are not very hot. But when they are going to mix the fine sand and cement, obviously it doesn't have any shade. So this guy is working on the mixing of the fine sand and cement, guys. As you guys can see, you need a lot of water in order to mix it right. Actually, mom's house is looking more presentable. It looks better now that it has the rendering. It looks more sturdy and strong as our bonding with Leia is always about food. So now for our snacks today, we are gonna be making puto cheese. So these are the puto cheese that we made, guys, and we're gonna put it here in the steamer. This is mom's steamer, and ever since I borrowed this and brought it here in the house, I've been always wanting to do puto cheese, guys. Puto cheese is a Filipino dessert, and it's actually very easy to do. As long as you have steamer, you're all good. So we'll just put everything in there, and we're gonna steam this for about, what is it, like 20 minutes, and it should be done.
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell you, mama. I tell you, papa, too. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too.
Our first batch of poto cheese has been cooked, and this is how it looks. Look at that, so pretty. They overflowed. I think we put too much baking powder, but they look so perfect. It's so nice. We put two slices of cheese in the middle, and we are going to try. Leia is still doing the second batch. Look,
We
guys.
still have the last batch.
Yeah, we still have. Oh, we still have that one. Ta-da! Let's try. Mmm. Mmm. So yummy. And also, guys, we have smoothie right here. Strawberry and mango yogurt. So my yogurt is about to expire. Leia said, let's put it. All right. Here it is. Look at this. I love the color. It's pink. So we're going to have our snacks now. Because this one is looking so creamy. The frozen strawberries in Landers was really good. I love it. There it is. Guys, bon appetit. Let's eat. This is so yummy. You want to try? You should try. Come on. It's Leia's first time to try the potato cheese.
How
Good.
about the kuan man? Sweetness niya, okay ra?
Yeah, it's not very sweet. We did not put a lot of sugar.
Yes.